Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions from the HSEE 2019 paper. The questions that we are focusing on are primarily from the quantitative aptitude section, and the question that we will try to solve in this particular video is question number 46 from the paper. So having said that, let us just take a look at the question and try to solve. By using a false weight, an unfair shopkeeper sells all his goods at cost price and still obtains 25% profit. The actual weight of 1 kg used by shopkeeper is basically we need to find the false weight. So let CP of 1 gram be rupees 1. Okay. So therefore CP of 1000 gram be rupees 1000. Okay, from our assumptions. Now it is said that he obtains a profit of 25%. Now I'm assuming he sold everything. Okay, he sold all the 1000 kilo. So what he actually does is that he sells at cost price. So therefore according to him, selling price of 1000 gram for him according to him is 1000, and in this particular transaction he gains 25%. So this CP that we have actually assumed is actually false. So now let us determine what is the right cost price. So therefore a 25% profit, that is 1.25 CP of 1000. Okay, so so therefore it will be, this is my original CP, and now at what price is actually selling, so that would be 1000. Okay, so therefore in this regards cost price of 1000 would simply be 1000 by 1.25, that is 800, which is nothing but CP of 800 gram. Okay, so that is for 800 grams he's the actual weight is 800 gram, but he's using and showing that the same thing as 1000 gram. Okay, so this is the discrepancy. So therefore the actual weight is equal to 800 grams. Okay, so this is our final answer. So pretty straightforward kind of question again. So I hope this thing is clear to you. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video. We'll continue our discussion similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos as well. Until then, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.